Mike here, quality manager of production for assembly. I'm going to show you a quick way of uninstalling the push button detent pin and reinstalling the old style detent. So first what you want to do is you want to unthread the button here, like so. Put that aside, grab needle nose pliers. You want to push in the detent portion, first hole. You grip it with your pliers, give it a twist, pull it out. Then you take your new old style detent pin, about halfway through, you just kind of hold your thumb with your other thumb, just give it a little bit of a push so it gives it a little bit of curve. It helps with a better spring and engagement into the arm socket. You're going to push it in and just guide using your thumb, and there you go. And that's it.